Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this warm cut crease makeup look. Before that, please subscribe my channel, and without any further delay, let's move on to the video. First, I'm going to hydrate my skin. For that, I gonna to use this Mama Earth oil-free moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. If someone who have dry skin, please don't use this moisturizer, guys. And it's mainly for acne prone skin. And I'm using little amount of moisturizer and applying all over my face. And for the primer, I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is meant for toning and smoothing, and it's silicone based primer. It will work very well for all skin type. Next, I'm going to use my favorite LA Pro Orange corrector to cover my dark patches around my mouth, dark circles, and also covering my pimples mark. And it is the best corrector. You can easily hide your pigmentation. Once I done my color corrector, I'm moving to the foundation. For that, I gonna to use MAC Studio Fix Violet foundation in the shade NC45. It's a matte finished and medium to full buildable coverage. And just dotting the foundation all over my face and blending with damp beauty sponge. Next step is to highlight my face. For that, I'm gonna to use Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. It's highly pigmented and blendable formula. It will give full coverage and super long lasting. Highlighting my under eye, chin, nose bridge and forehead and blending with Beauty Blender. And to contour my face, I'm gonna to use Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16. And it's best contour for people those who are darker than me. Just dotting little bit on my hollow cheekbones, jawline, nose and little bit on my forehead and blending with a brush. Once all done, I am going to bake my face by using this sugar translucent powder and gently pressing it on my under eyes, chin, nose and forehead. Next I'm moving to the eye makeup. For that I'm gonna to use Morphe X James Charles palette. First I'm going to use Mary shade as my transition shade. With blending brush I'm going to start blending above my crease line and I'm going to try to take it higher as possible so we have even enough space to add more color. Next I'm using beauty shade. It is a deeper than transition shade, blending it all over my crease. Next I'm going to set this concealer with the Mary shade. And then I'm gonna to use canvas shade to make lighten my inner lid. I'm going to use Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal and gonna to start create a simple line above lash line. And then I gonna to smoke out eyeliner with the shade Spooky. Next, I'm going to line my crease with LA Color Chrome Metallic Liner in the shade Rose Gold. Next, I gonna to soften my lower lash line with Mary shade. And then again I am using Boutique shade in my lower lash line. And for the waterline, I'm using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. Going to smoke out the liner with a smoky shade. For the mascara, I gonna to use K Beauty mascara, and its performance is very nice and it stay longer and giving nice volume to the lashes. And for the blush, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic blush in the shade Pink Pinnacle. And to line my lips, I'm going to use this mascara lip liner in the shade Bobby Brown. And to fill my lips, I'm going to use Stay Quick liquid lipstick in the shade I Woke Up Like This. And finally, I'm going to set my face with MAC setting spray. This is the final look I created for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoyed this tutorial, so please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.